How to add approved apps in Parsec. So first you want to open up Parsec and then click on the settings. And from here you want to go to the approved apps tab from the top and click on it and make sure to turn it on. And then you want to basically select the approved apps here. And then you should be able to see a list of apps that are suggested by Parsec, which can be approved for use only if this is turned on. And you won't be able to specify your own apps anymore because of the latest update. So you can either allow one of these specified apps or all of them approved to be used, or you can completely turn it off and basically just control permissions for each connected client by granting them specific permissions such as gamepad control, keyboard control, mouse control, or revoking them. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.